Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix common screen problems on your Samsung TV. Whether you're dealing with flickering, darkness, or those annoying vertical or horizontal lines, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in with the first method. Unplug your TV from the wall socket and wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple reset can often fix many screen issues. Remember, this is different from just turning the TV off and on with the remote. If that doesn't work, don't worry. Head to your TV's settings menu, select Picture, then Expert Settings, and finally choose Reset Picture. This should restore your picture quality to its original state. There you go. Two straightforward methods to fix your Samsung TV screen problems. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.